Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Sweden. And tonight's menu is Swedish Meatballs. The morning mise en place for the meatballs. Morning mise en place for the roasted potatoes. Secret ingredient, lingonberry preserves. Just after prep for the meatballs. Just after prep for the roasted potatoes. Here I am going to fry up some bacon for the potatoes. The bacon is all done. Just added some minced onion to saute for the meatballs, and here's the onions done. Here's the mise en place for the meatballs, and we're going into all the goodies for the meatballs. Here it is, the meatball all together. Here's the final mise en place for the roasted potatoes. Here's the dressing for the potatoes. Here it is in the bowl, get ready to be whisked. Here it is all whisked together. I add the parboiled potatoes. And here they are in the hot box. Rolled out all the meatballs. Starting to melt the butter in the brazier. First round of meatballs in the brazier being fried. The potatoes are roasted. Here's the meatballs all fried and set aside. Here I am using the butter to make a roux. Here's all the goodies for the gravy. And here's the lingonberry preserves. I'm submerging the meatballs in the gravy. And they're going to simmer for about 15 minutes. Here's the final Swedish meatballs. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.